Hi guys, I'm here to remind you and go over costing again because it is a very difficult thing to do. So, when for this lesson, you will need to pick one item from your menu. So, for example, if I was going to calculate how much it costs to produce one burger, I would need to list all the ingredients here for my burger. So, I've already filled in one example, ground beef. What else do I need for a burger? I would need hamburger buns, lettuce, tomato, pickles, ketchup, and so on. And then I need to put the amount that I need. So maybe I'm making a 1.5-pound burger, which that's kind of crazy. I wouldn't make that large of a burger, but that's how much I would need for lettuce. Maybe I need only 1/4 of a cup. For a hamburger bun, I need 1 bun, and so on and so forth. And you fill that in here. So that part is very easy for you. Then the next thing you need to do is to go research how much does this item actually cost. So what we do is you go to a grocery store website. For example, I'm going to use Kroger's and I'm going to search for ground beef, and that should pull up some results here. So they have some options. You can see the difference between different meats here. This yellow highlight means that it's on sale. For a hamburger, you want to lean towards something a little fattier. So when it says 80% lean, that means that 80% of the meat is lean. 92% of the meat is lean means there's little fat. There's only 8% of that fat. So let's say I'm going to pick this one. I'm just for the sake of that's the amount that I already have filled in. So $6.99. It costs $6.99 for how much? You can see the amount right here. This real tiny amount right here is $6.99 for 1 pound. So I go back here and I type in $6.99 and I put this backslash, this slash mark, because that means per pound. So you have to make sure that you have labels with everything. So $6.99 per pound. Now to calculate the unit price, you can do this using a calculator. You can do it in your head. You can use another spreadsheet. You need to take as long as these are in the same unit, so these are the same unit, they're both pounds, I can multiply them together. So $6.99 times 1.5 gives me not $9. It gives me, let's see, the exact amount. Times 1.5 gives me $10.48. So I'm going to round that to $10.50. Oops. For the amount that I need. So $10.50 is how much that I need for that, because I'm making apparently a very large burger. And then you would go through and do the next item. So let's do that one together. So hamburger buns, I need 1 bun for 1 hamburger. And now let's go look at the purchase price. We of course know that we cannot buy hamburger buns by singles. So we're going to type in a hamburger bun. And look, we have some here that have come up. Then I'm going to go with this 125, and you can see you get an 8 count. Okay, I'm not going to worry about this 12 ounces. I'm going to go with 8 count, $1.25 for 8 of them. So then I open up, and it is 1.25 per 8 buns. Okay, so then to figure this out, you don't multiply those together. I need to figure out how much it costs to get to 1 bun. So I take $1.25. Oops. 125 divided by 8, and the price per 1 bun is 16 cents. It's 16 cents. So sometimes you can multiply them together, sometimes you can't, depending upon what the count is. Let's go ahead and just do one more just to be on the safe side. So lettuce. I need, let's say, I need 1/4 of a head of lettuce. Uh-oh. I got 30 seconds. So I'm going to type in lettuce, see what comes up. I'm going to use one of these iceberg. 1 count is 1.59. So I'm going to go back and say it's 1.59 per head, and I need 1/4 of a head, so I take 1.59 divided by 4 to get the number there, and that's how you cost.